Buddy, it's Thursday, and Hurricane Delta is out there. The path is pretty clear now. What's guiding the storm is a sort of a lowish pressure over the coast of Texas and these high pressure systems here. So the storm is going to gradually turn towards the north, and the forecast is for it to hit the coast of Louisiana. Actually, right around here, the southwestern part of Louisiana, and late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, Friday night, is the current forecast, and then it's going to move along a path towards the northeast of the U.S. Towards Washington D.C. roughly over the weekend. The storm is moving at a fairly rapid clip. The path is pretty well known. And the forecasted winds at landfall are sustained at about 110, gusts about 125, and it will apparently rapidly weaken once it hits the land. This is a rapidly moving storm, so we're not seeing massive amounts of rain. 6 to 10 inches, which is significant, but not like 25 or 30 inches, because the storm is moving so fast up towards the northeast when it hits landfall. Right now, the forecast is for a significant storm surge, 7 to 11 feet. And again, this is in our northeast quadrant. The storm is coming ashore roughly around here, which is just slightly to the east of where Laura came ashore several weeks ago. So we're looking at 7 to 11 feet in the northeast quadrant, which is significant. Fortunately, this is not a heavily populated area, but there will be obviously some mandatory evacuations that are required. Okay, so that's the latest on Hurricane Delta, and we will have an update either tomorrow or an aftermath of the storm on Monday.